In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Odysseus AI in 2026, step by step. We'll go through the uninstall process in a simple and careful way so you can remove the application cleanly, and if you want, also clear out the related data and Docker resources. To begin, open Terminal or PowerShell on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to your Odysseus installation folder by typing cd Odysseus and then pressing enter. This makes sure you're inside the correct project directory before running any Docker commands. Next, stop and remove the Odysseus containers by running docker compose down. This command shuts down the containers and removes the networks that were created by docker compose for this project. If you just want to stop the application and remove the basic running setup, this is the essential command. If you want a more complete uninstall, including stored data and databases, run docker compose down, volumes, remove orphans instead. The volumes option removes the Docker volumes connected to the project which may contain persistent Odysseus data. The remove orphans option also cleans up leftover containers not fully tracked by the current compose file. Use this option only if you're sure you no longer need any saved data. After that, delete the Odysseus project folder itself. On Windows, first move up one directory with cd, and then run rmdir your -s Odysseus. On macOS or Linux, also move up one level with cd, and then run rf Odysseus. Be careful with these delete commands, especially on macOS and Linux, because they permanently remove the folder. If you'd like to free up additional disk space, you can remove unused Docker volumes by running docker volume prune. This is optional, but it can be useful if Docker has been storing extra data you no longer need. Just keep in mind that this affects unused volumes across Docker, so be cautious if you use Docker for other projects too. You can also remove unused Odysseus-related Docker images. First, check what images are currently on your system by running docker images. Then, to clean up unwanted images, run docker image prune -a. This can recover a significant amount of storage, especially if large images were downloaded during setup. Finally, verify that everything has been removed. Run docker psa to check for any remaining containers, and run docker volume ls to look for leftover volumes. If you don't see any Odysseus-related entries, then the uninstall is complete. And that's how to remove Odysseus AI fully and safely from your system.